So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it is the continued video of my NodeJs playlist. So in this video we are going to make a Mongoose table and create a insertion API. So first of all I will create a folder. In this folder I will open it in Visual Studio Code. Let's name it first. Okay, so now I will open Visual Studio Code in this. Open with code. So now in this, as you all know, if you don't watched my previous video yet, this all process is given in my previous video, so I will make it fast here. If you want to see, you can watch my previous video. First of all I will install Mongoose, Node 1 and Express. So wait till it get installed. So as you can see, it's created and we have got some files. So for this purpose you also need Mongodb compass. Mongodb compass is data to check the database. So currently these are all my database which I have created previously. So in this today we will create a new database. So let's type const express equals to require express. I have given the whole process detail by detail, line by line in my previous video. If you want that process, you can watch my previous video in this playlist. So const express equals to require express and const app equals to express app.listen. Let's do some unique this time. So this time we will declare the port above. Let it be 3002 and app.listen. Here I will type port. Then we will create a comma and arrow function here. Now inside this we will write console.log. We are going to use a string or formatted string this time. So there will be server running at here. Wait, we will type the $sign and the curly braces, $sign and curly braces, and in this we will type port, so it will be more looks good or something like you want. You can also write it statically as you wish. So wait, we have also need to initialize the projects. We got it wrong, npm init. So first of all we will type npm init. Though this is all above previous process we have done earlier. So now we will make a start script and here we will type nodemon app.js or app. So this was all about we have done previously. Now we will type npm start and you can see server running at 3002. Now we will create a config folder. Currently we are doing just previous work we have already done. It is no need to worry. So const mongoose equals to require mongoose. Now const mongoose.connect. so here we will type the path. So it will be mongodb // localhost 27017. Here we will type our database name. So let me type as YouTube model or YouTube Node.js. Let it be YouTube Node.js. Now we will type it then. Inside this we will write console.log database connected. If you have already, you can also skip this part if you have already known this. Now we will type .catch error and the arrow function, and we will type console.log an error occurred or the error. An error occurred while connecting, and we will type error. So this was all the connection part. Now we have to connect it with our main app. So we will type const db equals to require, and we will type the path of that file. So it is my config and db. So you can see server running at and db connected is showing. So now currently you can see there is no table created or no folder main database created of that name. So for that you just need to create make a file called as APIs. Inside APIs, we will make teacher folder, and we will type the folder name, and inside the teacher folder we have to type make a schema, or you can say model. We will make teacher model.js. So for creating a model, there is a syntax or a way. Like first of all we will import the mongoose. So const mongoose equals to require mongoose, and now we will type new schema, or you may const teacher schema, let it be teacher schema equals to, so its syntax is mongoose dot schema. Mongoose dot schema, and inside this we will define the schema. So inside the schema there will be a name, and the type of the name will be string, type string, and the string, and we will take the default value as empty string, and we will create more like this. Here will be email. Let's take email, and now let it be a age. Now let us create a status or status. So status type will be boolean. It will be true or false, and the default will be true. And now age type will be number, default will be 0. That's it. And let's clear this status, and we will also make a created at. It will contain the date on which we have created it, and the type will be date, and the default will be date not now. It's a function. Wait, d should be capital, date, and default will be date dot now. It automatically detect your computer date and write in the mongoose table. Now we also need to export this. So the function will be module.exports equals to new mongoose.model. So this is just a syntax. You just need to remember this, or you can make this. You can also remember this. .model, and here we will name the teacher and the schema, teacher schema. So that's it. We have successfully created your schema here. Now you just need to open the model, or you just need to make the controller. For just before I will show you, there is nothing our database name. So to make our database folder, we also need to create a file as teacher controller, which controls whatever we do functionalities or provide functionalities to our API. So in the teacher model we will add all other functionalities like add or insert or delete or anything. Now, so first of all we will create a file teacher controller inside our teacher folder, teacher controller.js. Inside teacher controller we will first need to import the model which we have created earlier. So const teacher model or teacher schema or teacher model, whatever you want to name it, equals to require teacher model. Now inside this we have to create the function. It will be exports dot your name of the API, like function name, and then we will assign it equals to. It's a basically syntax, you just need to learn it. So there will be request or response, and now arrow function. Inside this we will declare the whole code. So we will just make a no validations will be there. We will just simple API. So next make a call it let object of our function like teacher obj equals to new teacher, and now as we create the object teacher obj.name, we have declared the name, email, phone, etc. age in our schema. We will just call it here. Now teacher.name should be request.body.name, Just learn the syntax. I will tell you how the whole process works. Teacher obj dot email. Now we have also declared age, and that's it. Now we just need to save the code also, so it will be teacher obj dot save. Now after saving, there are some chances it will be saved or you might get an error, so we will try a then catch and condition. In then we will type data and we will create an arrow function, data arrow function. Now inside this we will type a response.json file, response.json. So in response.json there will be status should be 200 for a successful API hit. Status 200, success will be true, and the message will be teacher added successfully or anything you want. Teacher added successfully. And inside the data we will show the data which we are getting in our then condition. Data should be data. So this error is because we need to add a comma here. Now you can see error is gone. Now that's it. So now you need to make a routes folder. So we will just need to register the routes as we have registering the table. So we will create a folder called routes. Inside this we will create a routes.js file. Const router equals to require. It also needs express, so it's just a syntax require. Inside we will write express dot router. R should be capital. Now we will import the teacher controller file. Const teacher controller equals to require the path of the controller file. Now we will type router.post. We will type the API name, like I want it to be /add teacher. Now we will type the controller file path, controller file dot the method add teacher. So now we will module.exports equals to router. Now that's it. Now just you need to import all the files in your app folder. So here we need to require our router equals to require router file of path of router route/routes. Now we will also need to declare it app.use/admin. We will type here /admin, or you want whatever you want. I am typing here /admin, and here we will type the router. Now that's it. Now you can see there will be a Mongoose database name. You can see there YouTube NodeJs as we have created it. Now when you open it, you can see there is a teacher folder. Currently there will be no data because we have not inserted anything. So I will provide you the insertion process in my next video. Keep watching this, and we will also tell you how you can easily copy paste this code without writing it on. So just tuned. Thank you for watching.